the burden of words, I plant my dreams where freedom blooms and hope gleams. With each line I write, I seek to mend the wounds of the world, to love and tend. Together we rise, let love be our song in the symphony of life. Together we're strong, KޮTAKޮT we sing in rhythm and rhyme, for all is lost in space and time. Break down the walls, let unity soar. In this reggae groove, we open the door. Stateless I wander, yet roots run deep. In every heartbeat, our stories seep. Discrimination fades as we stand tall, embracing our colors, united we call. Listen to the whispers of the earth beneath. Join hands in peace, let love be our sheath, for all is lost in space and time. Break down the walls, let unity soar. In this reggae groove, we open the door.